Okay, we're testing the camera out on the Riverwalk. And let's see how far we go. See if it isn't too bouncy. Heavy rains last night. Very nice. The dog pond. See how high the river is. Mountains over there. Come around. The flow is pretty strong. And here we are, River Run Trail. Very windy day. Trails. An idea of what the road's like. Routes. Okay. Here's the turnoff to the rest of the Riverwalk trail. Picnic table is about the halfway point. One of Guinness's favorite spots when the water's high. There's another sign for the River Run Trail. Probably be a point we'll have to skirt the water over the trail. There's the old beaver dam. Water's really flowing over that now. Try to keep from tripping over the roots. Alright, here's the picnic table. Very nice spot to come and take a picnic. Lunch. We got the river right here to look at. You can see it all the way along there. A shot up the river. Outside the trail a bit. Normally this is dry. Kind of look forward to cross-country skiing this trail. Going up to another water spot here. Whoa. Okay. Very pretty trail, winding. Lot to see. I've seen deer run across here. Okay. Let's see how we're doing. And this is all within the Chocorua Camping Village Campground. Lots of trails, beautiful, all year round. This is the Fox Den Trail. Go up there, it's a bit of a climb. It's a long, interesting walk. And here we're coming up to the terminus. And usually when I'm here, I always come here and salute Old Man River. End of River Run Trail, return by same trail. That goes off into private property. Ooh, the river is really high. All right, whoa. We're talking some serious rain. This is about twice as high as it normally is. Very beautiful river though. Someday I think I kind of want to walk and swim it from here all the way down. It'll be interesting. Okay, well, that's the end of the video, and I'll be heading back as I step off here.